Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. A private house or cottage is not only a place for recreation and living, but also a plot where there are various utility rooms and a farm. In addition, on any site, there are not only gardens but also vegetable gardens, which means that it is necessary to provide a storage room for agricultural equipment and finished products. Now material, you can learn about the types of outbuildings and why they are needed. In addition, we will determine the optimal location of the structure, its appearance and shape. Choice of location, materials and style. If the layout and dimensions of the building are determined, then it's time to find a place on the site for its construction. It is worth recalling that old buildings associated with the release of a strong and unpleasant odor, as well as buildings requiring the disposal of substances, should be located as far as possible from a private house. If the building concerns recreation, cooking, or other household concerns, then it can be located close to a residential structure. The choice of a place from a farm building or a complex determines the appearance, color, and shape of the structure. If a private house has an original shape and is designed in a certain style, then an additional building should complement it, emphasize and not contradict the style of housing. It's not difficult to guess that a private house and an outbuilding are best made of the same building material. For the construction of a household unit you can use. Wood is an inexpensive, environmentally friendly material that needs high-quality processing. Metal is a durable material that needs to be periodically painted, preventing the corrosion process. Ready-made structure is made of plastic. Foam blocks or gas blocks, materials that allow you to create a warm workshop or shed. Brick is a durable material with excellent performance characteristics. The only drawback is the high cost. How do you look at these awesome ideas? We would love to hear from you. A beautiful gazebo is an adornment of any suburban area. The chalet-style gazebo attracts not only from the aesthetic side, but also with unsurpassed comfort, which allows you to enjoy a warm hearth and unity with nature. The design of the gazebo can be entrusted to specialists, but many site owners prefer to do it themselves. An independent choice of style, form, or the construction, furniture and decor elements will not only save a lot but also enjoy the process itself. Design rules. There are several basic criteria, following which you can achieve the desired result and build the right chalet-style gazebo with your own hands. These include the following: correct roof overhang. To protect against the atmospheric precipitation, this fragment of the structure should not be less than 1 meter. 4-pitched roof covering. It should be a fairly sloping roof, which holds the snow cover for a long time, thereby insulating the structure. The presence of bulky elements made of natural wood. Massive fragments are especially characteristic of a chalet with a barbecue. Restraint and design. Most designers are of the option that the given style is characterized by a combination of 2 colors and their shades, gray and brown. It is these 2 colors that are able to bring the design as close as possible to the natural environment. This design fits easily into any terrain. Features of the floor covering. The floor in the gazebo should be made of lacquered wood or natural stone. The presence of a barbecue or oven. Elements should be laid out of natural stone or brick in a color close to natural tones. Location and space. The facade of the structure should face east, and the interior space should face south. When making an arbor in the alpine style, do not use artificial materials, metal products and details, painting wooden elements in a variety of bright colors. Interior decoration should be carried out in accordance with the basic concept of style. The most acceptable are the following materials: natural wood, aged or varnished, natural stone, brick of natural shades, bamboo, burlap, straw. A barbecue oven or any other hearths used in chalet gazebos can be of 2 types. Stationary. It is very convenient in closed-type gazebos, the operation of which is carried out all year round. The main material for the construction of the furnace is natural stone. This is a massive solid building with an original design. Mobile. More suitable for seasonal use designs. It can be simplest barbecues that can fit easily in a portable suitcase or more massive, forged barbecues. Also widely used is the use of electric barbecues, which differ in their work without smoke, which is very convenient in closed gazebos. Round hearths is rectangular barbecues in the form of an island are placed in the center, and a table and stools from a recreation area around them. For small gazebos, a corner grill or fireplace will look very good. A chalet-style gazebo should be filled with simple and concise furniture. It can be a massive table, chairs, or benches made of natural wood. Animal skins are used as chair covers. Items trimmed with genuine leather will be appropriate. It is also allowed to use pieces of furniture woven from rattan, wicker, and other materials of natural origin. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.